Well, the sort of kind of semi answer I usually give is that a rough middle of the road estimate of about a year is fairly reasonable, but of course it depends. So the fully lawyerly answer is that it depends, right? Like I said earlier, if you're running it hard, a lot heavy dust loading, 24/7 operation, abrasive dust, temperature spikes, all the worst things you can think of. If you're throwing the whole kitchen sink at it, you might have to change your filters every 2 weeks or every month. It really just depends. If you've got, your sort of wood shop, tool shop that gets used once in a while and it's get some light fluffy dust and used once a day or so, heck, those filters could last for several years. It really just depends. You're really going to want to talk to someone who can take a look at your application and your system sizing and all those factors and figure out what the best filter is for the application and who can probably give you something like a better estimate of how long you can expect the filters to last.
Excellent. Yeah, it also impact too is if the system is undersized or not maintained well, then that's gonna shorten the lifespan of the batteries quite
Definitely.
a bit.